back at it again today. We got one of the most common pit bikes like you can get. Like, I mean, it's just, they're everywhere. It's a tail, what, 125?
Yeah, with the clutch.
Yeah, it's got hand clutch. It's got 1 down, 4 up gears. I mean,
you can find these for like 800 bucks, 900 bucks like this. Or find them on Facebook Market way cheaper. I'm talking about brand new.
And this is what, a 2021?
Something like that. I couldn't even tell you.
This is 2021 or 2022.
They're all based about the same, basically.
Yeah. But, you know, there's stuff's a little cheaper on it, like, you know, the sprocket, all that stuff.
Yeah.
But,
you got to tighten about every nut and bolt on it, but
yeah.
We're going to take it out to the trail and see if it's going to perform like a dirt bike should, and we'll see.
I'll give you a little rundown. But that's how cool safety features. Like, if the clutch is pulled in, I'll show them. Like, got no compression. Like, it will not, when you let the clutch out, come on, baby.
Oh, the key is not in it. Go.
My bad. All right, so yeah, things tend to run a little better when you got a key in them. So, you know, which these do have a key. Most of them don't nowadays. But you know, somebody beating on something. That's what it is, nice.
I figure we'll leave it as common as they come, so no modifications. The exhaust usually falls off on them, so it's off. About as basic as it gets. We're gonna see what it's gonna do in the trail. That thing runs 50. The way it sits right now, I don't know, you could make it a little faster. I don't know about a lot faster. We're gonna see the wheelie action. You know these shocks way too soft. We'll catch you on the trail. It's gonna be fun. second gear is what gear we go in. Hey, I hold on to it. I don't know if I'll ride that one down. That's a little sketch, boy. What's going on? It just came out where that thing's trying to go through the little creek. We're gonna hop on this.
That bike's sketchy as shit. You can run up to the top and you start spinning.
We're on the old 230 now. Oh, this clutch is soft. This bike ain't got no back brake. Who needed that tree anyhow? Bikes from the 70s out there. chain keeps popping. It's loose.
Yeah, the hook.
I missed it. Huh? Dang, my bad. I can loosen it if you want. Yeah, I don't know about y'all, but I like it where I got one finger on it like that or two. Depends on how tight the clutch is. He had it where he had a blood jug all the way in. And it still wasn't biting. Or letting go, I mean. My weight on the front, the chain shouldn't pop. Too bad. I would rather go that way, but this way is gonna be a hard. See, they ain't jumping, but I can't. I can't jump. Hey, you can do it like I do it. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, my bike should have made it a that hole.
Oh. Shouldn't have done that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna attempt to get this damn thing through the ditch.
Yeah, you gonna go on that side?
Nah, I gotta be idled up.
Help me get this.
Hey, that's good enough, though.
What?
What are you thinking? We're just trying to pick up on it?
You pull that front tire like a mug and I'm just like that. Yep. Oh, appreciate it. Hey, you helped me there for real. Hey, these things getting heavy or something. Hey. Got it flooded, let it clear up a little bit. People hate on these things, but they're good motors. When they fire, it's about all you can do is make them quit firing and smoking. If that chain wouldn't have popped, we would have went over that. Y'all know my goggles now started fogging up and everything. I just had to go through a trench of mud to get through that. This hill climb.
might get some of the video on me doing it on my knee.
Got my groove back on jumping now.
This type, when it's all off balance, it does. I would hole shot it, but the chain would just skip. The chain. It's in the back of the truck. I don't know if y'all can see that, but we in the back of the truck. Take it to the house, put the chain back on. Yeah, try again. No major fails so far. It's just